Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we want to discuss about the different campaign objective options which you will get in the XAds platform. So let's have a look at this. So once you're on the platform, you can start looking at creating a new campaign. And once you start creating the campaign, it will give you certain options. So right now we can go ahead and go to advanced settings and switch anyway. And now you can edit the campaign objective right here. When you do so, you will get to see the various campaign objectives which XAds provides you with. So this is broken down into three major categories, which is awareness, consideration, and conversion. So awareness, as you can understand, is going to be a particular marketing strategy where you want to make aware your users, customers about your brand, and you want to do brand awareness over here. And that is why it talks about reach. So reaching out to as many people as possible with your ads so that you can make them just aware. Okay. So this is in the top of the funnel when people are not aware about your brand, your product and services, and you're not looking at getting any returns in terms of sales or leads out of this. The main objective of this particular campaign objective is primarily to make people aware about your brand. Then under consideration, you have multiple different options. So like video views is going to be a campaign objective where your objective is that you want people to watch your video, okay, video ad specifically so that they understand your business better, they understand your products and services. Similarly, you can also do pre-roll views as a campaign objective, which will basically run your ads on premium content. So any type of video content which is running on Twitter or X, it can run like a pre-roll, which is like an ad which will come before the premium video content starts playing. So that also you can do to build some consideration. Consideration is a phase wherein you are reaching out to those people who have known your brand, have seen, talked, have understood your brand, and now you want them to consider you more to do business with. Similarly, you also have app installs as an option, wherein you would want people to go ahead and install your app. Okay, so this also falls under consideration. Then comes website traffic, as simple as that. So you want to drive traffic to your website. You want people to check out your business, your product, or services. So for primarily that objective, you can run a campaign as well. Also, you have engagements, which is basically where you want people to engage with your post. So whatever post you are doing on Twitter or X, you want to get people to engage with that post, interact with it so that you understand the likes and dislikes of your audience. So these are all the different campaign objectives under consideration. And then comes conversion, which is the bottom of the funnel. Consideration is the mid of the funnel in the sales funnel category. And in conversion, you have three types. First is app re-engagement. App re-engagements are those where you want to target those people to take an action inside your app. So once people have installed, so this will is tagged along with app installs. So once you have run an app installs campaign and you have drove a lot of app downloads, now later on we can run this campaign where you want to go ahead and make people take an action and you can target that, okay, as a conversion for yourself. So for as simple as that, as let's say you're in a business of e-commerce and you sell products through an app. So now if somebody buys a product through the app, that can be tracked as a conversion. Similarly, sales is going to be a campaign which you can run as well as a campaign objective where you want to target the people who visited your website and made a purchase. So this is the purchase will be considered as a conversion, or a lead form fill up can be considered as a conversion out here. Similarly, a new one which recently Twitter or X launched is keywords based campaign objective, which is where you're trying to reach users with high intent, targeting those users who have searched for specific keywords on Twitter or X. So that becomes another new type of campaign objective which Twitter X recently launched. So these are all the different types of campaign objectives you will get on the platform to select from. So for this training purpose, I'm going to select website traffic. Once you select that, you can go next and you start building the campaign based on that. If you require more information about these campaign objectives, what you can do is you can also go to their Learn More section, where X has provided documentation around campaign objectives. All the three are available out here, as you can see. And now you can check out their specific sections as well. Let's say I want to learn more about the website conversions campaign objectives. So I can go on to that page, and they have given a lot of information about it. So I hope this makes sense. You understand now how the campaign objectives would be on the X Ads platform.